Yo, what's up guys? In another video, and today with me and what should I call you in the video? Sigma VR, the guy that's always in my videos. We're gonna be checking out the full release of the Christmas Animal Company update. So let's go. Yo, come here. I need to take some stuff out of my stash. I can like give it to you. I can buy them for free. Oh no, you can only buy it from the other place in the actual ski map. Here you go. Alright, come with me. It's just empty. So by looking at this, it kind of looks like the OG map. But come with me. Hookshot? A light? Yeah, I have it unlocked. You also need a light. Maybe a bag if you want, but you don't really need it. I don't know, just in case. But I'm not gonna take one with me. Alright. No. There's no mobs. Yeah, follow me. No, it's fine. Okay, follow me. Dude, I feel so... Oh no, I know a glitch to go there without needing... Like, to beat the game without needing the key. Look, since I have the death snowboard, I can just buy it, like, straight from the thing. This is empty for you, right? I'll show you. You need to do a quest. Basically by beating this map. It's a secret. Okay, you know what? Just follow me. Now, do you want to do the glitch way, which is faster? Or the hard way, which is like normal? Alright, then just go like straight down. No turns, no nothing. Just go straight down. But the glitch way is not that fun. I recommend doing the normal way. Even though it's harder, even if the normal way is harder, it's still like more fun than the glitch way. Just go straight down, like completely straight down until you see like this OG spawn. Wait, you do know there is an OG spawn place, right? You do know that there is that OG spawn came back? OG spawn came back. I didn't know. OG spawn, it came back. Go down. Just go straight down this time. Headshot, 2. I see you. Headshot, 2. See you, buddy. Diddle me! Oh my god. Why is this map so fun? Yeah, just go straight forward. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on my back. Now look. Normally to open this portal and beat this map, you'll need a spring in here, which is in the gates down there. But to get the key to the gate, you'll need to go to this monster place. But look, I'll show you a glitch. Come here. There's a gap in the wall. Now jump here and jump straight into the tunnel. You fell out of the map. Yo! Nice. And this doesn't really matter. You don't need to get all the stuff. It only gives you 1 company coin, so it's really useless. Just go straight forward until you see a massive shotgun. See you there. Oh, Sigma VR. Yeah. So, yeah. And also, if you're kind of homeless and kind of poor, then you can go to all these dot things, but it gives you 1 company coin per name you get. Like, for example, dude, I have 830. Yeah, these are credits. Yeah, I guess this is a credit scene, like end scene. Like how in movies normally they have the credits. I guess it's the Animal Company version of it. Okay, you just gotta go forward. I see you. Just go straight forward. Where are you? Hello. You just need to jump. If you jump into the giant goop, then like your whole game crashes, then you get banned. I'm not even joking. I'm joking, you just die. In real life. Alright. Now, go here. Don't press this button, okay? Don't. It's devs only, and it definitely doesn't give you the dev snowboard, which I have right here. And it definitely doesn't fling you too. You got flinged, right? Yeah, let me show the camera how it says your name on the banana, then it flings you, like, dude. Chill! This is the end scene of Animal Company. And now you can buy the special snowboard. Normal way is hard. I have the key. Don't worry, I have it in my stash. I can get it. Normally you get the key from this haunted. Normally you get the key from this haunted house, and you need to kill the monsters using your light. But I have the key in my stash anyway, so really no point. Alright, I got the key. They need the glue stick. Glue stick. come. Now come with me. Come with me. Like, actually. You're not muted, you know. You do know you're not muted, right? Oh. Just letting you know. So, if you guys are wondering, you will normally get, like, without any bugs, without going through the cracks, normally you'll get this dev snowboard, double-sided, you know, signatures of all the devs. Normally, you'll get it by getting the key that I have right here. Normally, you'll get the key by going through the... Normally, you'll get it by going through to the haunted house and getting the key from the haunted house. I'm here, and normally you'll, yeah, I'm here. I hear you. But I'm just explaining something. And then, like, once you're in the haunted house, once you're in the haunted house, then you can kill the monsters using. You can kill the monsters using your lights, and then you can wait, guys. Wait, I just need to. Yeah, as I said, you just need to go to Haunted Mansion, get the keys, get this key, use that key. Basically, I already had it in my stash, so I didn't need to do that. There was monsters there that you had to kill using your thing, light. Yeah, I'm just explaining to the viewers, just in case. All right, come to the snowboard map. Come to ski. Okay, this time go far, go forward, but then turn right. Alright. You don't, yeah? You don't need to get the key, you know. I have it already. It's in my stash. So yeah, I'm going the other way. I'm going to the vault. Yeah, as you saw, I just passed it. It was like on there. Haunted shop, haunted house, you know. You get the key. No, that's Haunted Mansion. People call it a haunted house. Here it is. You turn this way. Oh, I'm just explaining. Here we go. You hear? The key is telling me to drop it. It's literally saying drop it. I'm just joking. It's part of the theme music of the key. Dude, where are you? No, not the old map, the vault. Wrong way. Fine, I dropped you, key. Are you happy? The theme music of the key reminds me of Stranger Things, not gonna lie. Don't know. Ever watch Skibidi Toilet Show? Yeah, that's why it reminds me of Skibidi Toilet Show. Guys, comment in the comment who's right. Oh my god, I've just put the key in. And look, it's literally rotating as we speak. Oh yeah, I know. No bro, you're gonna make it hard for yourself. Go the correct way. Okay, now once you get the key, you unlock this vault. Once you get the key, you unlock this vault, you know? Then you need to go a specific way on this key, so then you don't die. You know what? I think I have a hook shot, so I can just hook shot to the walls, you know. Alright. Hook shot to the rocks. Hook shot to the wall, because trust me, this specific bit, yeah, lot of doo-doo, chocolate mystery brownie sauce. Look at it. Shh, it's a secret. Magicians never reveal their secrets. I'm a magician because I gave you the dev snowboard and you thought it was dev only. I'm joking. I showed some guy my dev snowboard. Like, this is what I meant. Like, there was this guy, I showed him my dev snowboard, and then it was like, how do you have that? Are you a developer? I said yes, and then some guy said, I'm gonna report you for impersonating staff. Oh my god, look at this one. This is such a massive caca. No. Pretty sure it's something in a cell. Oh wait, no, I swear it's a country. Enzyme. It's in Europe. Yes, it is. It's literally a country in Europe, I swear. Guys, comment right now who you think is right, me or Sigma VR. Bro. Yo, guess what? A chicken fart. Where are you? Only me and Sigma VR know about this. But like, don't tell them, yeah? Don't tell them. But there's gonna be some massive secret, some massive release, you know, coming soon. Don't tell them what it is. Only me and Sig. No. Not an animal company. And if you say it, I will. I don't even know what I'll do. I'll generally, maybe, but it's a secret. Remember? Yeah, I told you. Remember? Don't tell them though. It's a secret. What? How did you know? I'm joking. Way better than that. that's not what I meant. Guys, no, that's not what I meant. Stop taking my chair. Stop taking... Yeah, he either plays in McDonald's or in a mall. It's insane. He's mental. I don't even know. He's Sigma VR. Give me muggle. Oh, here we are. Actually, here it is. Now this bit is actually very difficult because you need to make this jump. Not only that, once you're here, you need to go either left or right without stopping. So pick left or right. Let's go right. Yeah, right. Oh my god. Last time I tried going left and I don't think that ended up well. So I'm gonna try going right. I never went right. Oh, I think the right side is way harder. Yep. Oh, don't go there. Don't go there. I know, right? At least you spawn near the thing. You respawn there. And you keep your items. Yeah, once you're there, you need to complete some parkour stuff. I don't know. Then you get the reel. Like once you choose the correct side, you'll get the reel. Put it there. The portal opens, you know, and you get the death snowboard. But look, I ain't doing all that. Come on, will I make it this time? Tag it! I'm gonna play some Gorilla Tag. I'm gonna play some Skibidi Toilet Simulator. I made the jump. Made it twice. No. Anyways, that was pretty fun today. And yeah, that's all for this video. Goodbye.